Ayan yung chair na nabili niya. Ayan si Madam, nakaupo na. Yung bed. Yung bunk beds. Ibang ganda. Good morning. It's Friday. May work pa rin kami pero half day lang. Malamig na. Mag-kape tayo. Three o'clock na guys, mag-start na tayong magluto para sa dinner namin kasi may visitors kami mamayang 4 p.m. Late na kami nakauwi ng bahay.
Can we have them back? How much did you pay for them?
Not anymore. I sent it to the Philippines.
$5? I'll give you 10.
I sent it to
Double
the
your money.
Philippines.
You sent
In
it to
the
the
box.
Philippines.
She pays only like 200
Dito na
pesos.
si Salvi.
How much is that? 200. Oh, yeah, how much on
200 pesos.
Yeah, how much is
Not
that?
much.
30.
Not much.
Maybe. Wait,
Dito yung dinner namin.
No, less.
Oh,
Maybe
well, $4.
8. No, 600.
Okay.
Like that.
Ano tayo? Buksan mo na tayo.
Ang alin?
Yung ano.
Bakit naggagalaw? Let us open the... Wala kang gunting. Ay, ganito ko na lang.
Oo. Ano
No,
yung
it's wrong.
gunting?
Oh, this is... Pakita mo naman na to.
Andun yung
You have
gunting.
here the sauce. Oh, the sauce for the spaghetti noodles, and these, how do you call it, grilled chicken legs. Oh, chicken adobo. Ang dami siya. Pinaulit-ulit ko kasi baka matapon.
Kunin ko yung gunting tayo.
Oo, magunting tayo. Ito pala. Ay, andyan pala. Andyan. Ay, hindi pa. Ang dami talaga.
Na yung pinakamasarap.
Hindi naman. Ano lang yan?
Kabango.
What is that? Gusto pa ito ni Queen.
Ayan.
Kaya lang.
I don't know what that light switch is for.
Sige.
Our sauce for our spaghetti. Oh my gosh. Yummy. It's so yummy. Yep. Yummy, full of meat in it and then sausages. Wow. Courtesy of Ate Archie. And I'll put it there first. Oh no, it's dito na pala. We have a ladle case here. And then our cheese. And then this one is a chicken.
Special.
No, chicken curry. Okay, chicken
Luto
curry.
yan, Ate Salvi.
And this one, Ate Archie specialty also.
Specialty na naman.
Chicken leg, grilled chicken
Ay,
leg.
madadali lang yung luto
And
yung
then
akin.
this one also,
Hindi
lamb
komplikado.
sausage. Lamb sausage.
Yeah.
Wow. Lamb of the morning. And then our
Bye-bye.
Okay?
Yan ang dinner namin. Oh,
This
dami
is
na
our
yan.
dinner and we're waiting for the holy eaters. Holy eaters.
One at a time. Whoa. Yeah. I got you. One more. That's it. Attaboy.
Hi!
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Mm.
Let's
Oh.
eat.
I'm here also.
Hello.
You remember the
How are
good
you?
looking
I
lady?
do. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
The video okay. Queen.
Yeah,
No.
The singer. You know it.
Come on. Let's sit down. Hurry.
Pretty bright.
This kasi kinontak ko 7 hours ago.
Why do you keep
Isa din nawala sa ano. Bakit di daw ito
want to see
pwede?
you at the next meeting? And he said,
Oh, the friend.
and Brody
Yeah.
said, I should, he
Okay,
probably should put you in a bloody nursing home.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that'd be
Yeah,
right.
no, not yet. But you need to speak to Ronnie about taking you to the bank.
Sorry.
You need to take Ronnie to the bank with you to get your statement. Just so we can work out your last time account.
Yeah, but he also mentioned, had I ever,
Ano si Chris
maybe let's see him. So,
Have you had one?
tawag yan.
Huh.
Nagbabox, ay
You know what?
It's getting worse.
Yeah.
So maybe I do.
I know why I left and
Medyo late na kami ni Ate Salvi mag-video okay. Siya na lang yung kanta ng kanta dyan kasi hindi naman ako marunong kumanta. Si Rina sana, bisita namin siya. Pati yung asawa niya. Kaso hindi nakarating kasi nasa hospital siya. Next time na lang, pagka magaling na siya, magkita-kita ulit kami dito sa bahay at magkantahan. Kahit hindi ako kakanta, siya na lang. Kasi balita ko magaling daw yun kumanta at may boses. Kaya pagaling ka na, Queenie, hantayin kita dito sa bahay. Mag-shot kami ni Ate Salvi, guys. Pang refreshing lang yan, Frangelico.